Donkey. Oh, father, no one can be upset when they see my teeth. Look, there is only one branch of a coconut tree. Today I am the king of teeth. After eating grass last night, I looked in the mirror and saw the glint of my teeth, and I got scared myself. Today I will call everyone in the forest. There will be a tooth exhibition. Tiger, fox, elephant, parrot, everyone will come and watch my tooth show. Hee 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 hee. Fox. Oh, king of teeth. Are you going to the forest fair with your teeth? When the birds see your teeth, they will think that there has been a lightning strike. Will you cut tree branches with these teeth, or play like a flute? Donkey smirking. Josh, brother, you don't understand. These teeth are the secret of my beauty. Seeing these teeth, I will now be known as the handsome donkey of the forest. Tiger, handsome donkey, you are now a barbed wire of teeth. Your teeth are so long, when you smile, the animals around you get scared and climb trees. Once an elephant came and said, looking at these teeth, my horns seem smaller. Fox, laughing. Don't say that again, tiger brother. When you see his smile, it seems like a megaphone has opened its mouth. But one thing, if your teeth are too big, one day you will bite yourself while eating. Donkey, snorting angrily. You don't understand. Big teeth means strength, and strength means king. Today I will prove, my teeth are the strongest in the forest. Tiger, the king of teeth, what test did you say you will give today? Donkey, today I will bite and break a coconut. When you smile, everyone laughs, but when you bite, everyone will be shocked. Fox, oh, father, it's good that your teeth are still alive. If you bite a coconut, your teeth will fall out, the coconut will stay. I will record the video, the title will be, The Consequences of Donkey's Teeth. Donkey, you laugh, fox brother, but today I will go viral with the Forest Tooth Power Challenge. Donkey picks up the coconut and puts it in his mouth, knock, bang. Donkey shouts, my teeth are gone, my teeth are gone. Oh mother, the tooth has fallen at my feet. Fox, laughing wildly. Oh, you are the king of teeth. Now you are the widow of teeth. When you smile, you look empty now. Tiger, you are no longer the king of teeth, but the king of broken teeth. With these teeth, you will not be able to eat coconuts or even pies. Donkey crying. Oh, what will I do now? What will I laugh with now? Tiger brother, fox brother, if I don't have teeth, I won't be able to sing anymore. Whenever I say, hee 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 hee, the wind rushes in and my throat shakes. Tiger. Emergency announcement in today's Forest Council. The donkey's teeth have been declared the historical broken tooth monument of the forest. Fox. And there will be an advertisement. Don't grow teeth, grow wisdom. Those who use tooth growing gel will lose their teeth just like the donkeys. Donkey, softly. Okay, brothers, I understand. You have to grow with your smile, not your teeth. Now I will grow wisdom, not teeth. Tiger, you are right. Even if you don't have teeth, your smile is fine. But be careful, if you boast about your teeth again. I will perform dental surgery for you with bamboo. Fox. Ha ha ha. Dental surgery in the middle of the forest. I will upload this scene on YouTube, the aftermath of a donkey breaking a tooth. It will get those views. Donkey, stay on your YouTube. I will go to TikTok. I will make a video, broken tooth, sweet smile. Hee 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 hee. Tiger, oh, king of teeth, how do you feel now? Donkey, it feels good, brother. Now when you smile, the air enters and music plays in your throat. I am now the forest flute donkey. Fox. Oh, funny donkey. When you smile, it feels like someone is blowing a whistle. Hee 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 hee. Tiger. Then it's okay. From today on, your name will be Donkey Flute. And the rest of your teeth will be in the forest museum. Donkey. Okay, brother, stay. But I swear, I will never boast about my teeth again. But I will boast about my smile for the rest of my life. He 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 he. There is one lesson in this forest story. He who boasts, one day loses his teeth. But he who laughs, makes everyone laugh. Everyone sings together. Don't let your teeth be big, let your heart be big. May everyone be happy in the forest of laughter.